जय जय श्यामा, जय जय श्याम, जय जय श्री वृंदावन धाम। प्यारी श्यामा प्यारो श्याम, प्यारो श्री वरसानो धाम। जय जय श्री राधे। Welcome to Krishna Bhakti Ras 83. There was once a devotee couple who lived in a village near Pandharpur. They were devotees of Lord Vithala, Lord Shri Hari Vithala. And one time there was a famine in their village. Now they were really kind-hearted. So they started using whatever savings they had to feed the people in the village who were not getting food due to the famine. So they kept using up all their savings. Finally the day came that they had no savings left. Then you know what they did? They sold their house. And whatever money they raised, they used it to again feed the people. And very soon, dekho na Prabhu ki maya, very soon they had no house left anymore. So they went to Pandharpur and started living in the streets of Pandharpur. But they were really devotionally minded, very devotional minded. So one day when Ekadashi came, now they had no money because they were living in the streets, no job. So they were thinking, now how can we observe our Ekadashi and do seva? So they went to the forest, they cut some wood, and they got just 3 annas. You know what is 3 annas? I think my generation knows what is 3 annas. So 3 annas, and with that, with 1 anna they bought flour, with 1 anna they bought bhog, and with 1 anna, like it was for dakshina to the Brahman. Next day was Dwadashi, and Dwadashi they would not eat till they fed a Brahman. So they again went to the forest, cut some wood, again got 2 or 3 or 4 annas, and they bought some atta with it. They kept also 1 anna for offering to the Brahman. So they invited the Brahmans. All they had to serve was only atta, nothing else. And dakshina they had only 1 anna. But no Brahmin wanted to come. Why? Because Brahmin said, you'll call us and then you'll only feed us rotis. We don't want that. And what dakshina will you give us? So now they were worried because they said, if we can't feed the Brahmin, we cannot break our Ekadashi fast, and time is passing because time is there. We have to break the fast within the given time. Suddenly, one old Brahman came there with his wife, Brahmani. They said, we want to eat rotis. So the Brahmani herself made the rotis, and then the Brahman and Brahmani sat down to eat. And they enjoyed the rotis. They took the 1 anna dakshina and they happily left. And this devotee couple was happy because they were able to maintain their Ekadashi tradition and feed a Brahman and Brahmani. But after eating the roti, suddenly when that Brahman and Brahmani just suddenly disappeared, the devotee couple was surprised, like, who's that? Who could that be? How did they just disappear like that? Maybe it was a Mahapurush who came to help us. Then they went to Pandharpur, to the temple of Lord Hari Vithala. And when they went there, they heard Lord Vithala telling his wife, who's his wife? Shri Rukmini, that the rotis today that we ate were so delicious, so delicious. I really enjoyed them. Now this devotee couple was surprised, and the man asked the Lord, was it you? And why did you come just to eat rotis here in the temple? You are getting chappan bhog every day. So the Lord said, those who offer chappan bhog, they do it to make a name. that today this saint did Chappan Bhog, that saint did Chappan Bhog, this saint did Chappan Bhog, this saint. They want to make a name. They don't really want to feed us. And we don't eat that. Because we don't eat anything that is not offered with love. It has to be offered with love, only then we will accept it and partake it. So the devotee couple, the husband was having a hard time believing that. So the Lord told him, tomorrow I will show you what I mean. Next day, a Seth had made a big भंडारा, और उस भंडारे में बहुत से संतों को, ब्राह्मणों को निमंत्रण दिया था। तो जिसे निमंत्रण था वो ही आ सकते थे अंदर, ऐसे उनके रूल्स थे। तो हमारे प्यारे प्रभु श्री हरि विठल, उन्होंने फिर एक गरीब ब्राह्मण का रूप लिया और अंदर जाना चाहते थे भंडारे में। तो रास्ते पे किसी ने उन्हें रोक लिया कि नहीं, आप नहीं जा सकते, आपको निमंत्रण है क्या? नहीं है। तो जो प्रभु थे ब्राह्मण के रूप में, उन्होंने कहा, निमंत्रण क्या निमंत्रण, मैं ब्राह्मण हूं, मुझे भूख लगी है, ये बस नहीं है क्या? और मुझे खाना है, अंदर जबरदस्ती अंदर चले गए। तो उस व्यक्ति ने अपने सेठ को बुलाया और कहा, देखो देखो देखो, ये घुस के अंदर जा रहा है ब्राह्मण। तो सेठ आया, उस ब्राह्मण को पकड़ के बाहर डाल दिया। कौन था वो ब्राह्मण? हमारे प्रभु श्री हरि विठल। तो वो ब्राह्मण जो प्रभु जी थे, उस डिवोटी कपल की तरफ देख रहे हैं। देखा तुमने? इनको खिलाना थोड़ी था प्रेम से, इनको तो नाम करना था बस। और हम वहीं खाते हैं जहां कोई प्रेम से हमें खिलाए। अरे प्रभु को तो प्रेम से इवन बस कुछ एक रोटी ही दे दे, एक चम्मच ही खिला दे, वो तो खुशी से खाते हैं, खुशी से खाते हैं। सुनते हैं ना हम, दुर्योधन के मेवा त्यागे, साग विदुर गर खायो, छबरी के जूठे बेर खाए। मेरे पिताजी ने मेरे गुरुदेव से कहा था कि छबरी सिर्फ स्वाद करके चख के नहीं दे रही थी बेर प्रभु राम को। नहीं, सॉरी पिताजी नहीं, मेरे गुरुदेव ने कहा, वो तो छबरी तो चबार चबार के दे रही थी कि एक मीठा होना चाहिए और दूसरा नरम करके दूं, जैसे इनको तकलीफ ना हो खाने में। और वो खा रहे थे, इतने इतने प्रेम से खा रहे थे हमारे प्रभु श्री राम। तो दुर्योधन के मेवा त्यागे, साग विदुर घर खायो। और विदुर जी के घर में तो क्या हुआ, विदुर नहीं थे तो विदुरानी तो प्रेम विभोर हो गई। केले रखे थे, छिलके खिला रही थी अपने प्रभु को, छिलके खिला रही थी और प्रभु आनंद से खा रहे थे, पा रहे थे। और जब विदुर आए घर में तो देखा क्या हो रहा है, विदुरानी को डांटा, क्या कर रही हो तुम प्रभु को छिलके खिलवा रही हो। तो फिर तो वो होश में आ गई और फिर तो ठीक से खिलाने लगी। तो कान्हा क्या कहते हैं, चाचा ये क्या किया आपने? जो मुझे स्वाद छिलकों में आ रहा था अब इसमें नहीं आ रहा है। ये है हमारे प्रभु। विदुर जी क्यों, विदुरानी क्यों, छबरी क्यों, अगर हम आज भी उन्हें प्रेम से पवाएंगे, अपने घर में ही बैठ के अपने ठाकुर को प्रेम से पवाएंगे तो वो पाएंगे, जरूर पाएंगे। बहुत कृपालु है, बहुत कृपालु है, बस प्रेम के भूखे हैं। तो बस हम भी अपना प्रेम देते रहें प्रभु को, नाम जपते रहें और वो तो कृपा बरसाते ही रहेंगे। जय जय श्री राधे सभी को, जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे।